Hello friends, welcome to Crystal Crafts. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful bracelet which you can wear on any occasion and also gift it to your loved ones. So let's get started. So firstly, take a stretchable cord like this one. The length of the cord is a little bit bigger than the size of a wrist. We will need a needle and thread for this project as well, and we are going to need these beautiful crystals, blue beads, and I've also taken one of my earrings in which the back wearing stick was broken, so I'm going to use this for my for the center of my bracelet in the DIY. So to begin, we are going to take a needle and thread and we are going to insert it in the one of the edges of our cord. Doing this will help us to feed the beads in the cord. So here I'm going to take this blue bead and I'm going to insert this in the needle and pass it through the needle into the cord. So we are going to bring the beads almost near the other end of the cord. Next, here I'm feeding this beautiful crystal bead inside the cord. So we'll continue to feed the beads until we reach till the center of the cord. So here are our beads looking so far. It's looking really pretty. So next we're going to add this centerpiece, which is this pretty earring which I have, and I'm going to pass the needle through the center jump ring and feed it inside the cord. So we're going to place it in the center and it's looking really pretty. Now we'll continue to feed the beads until we reach the other end of the bracelet. When we reach to the end of the bracelet, we're going to stitch the ends of the bracelet with a needle and thread. So here's our bracelet ready. It's looking really pretty, and you can make this in different colors and you can try different combinations. You can subscribe to my channel and also click the bell notification icon. You can also like and share my videos. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.